All right. Have you ever cracked open an energy drink and wondered, how exactly do they make this stuff? Today, I'm taking you deep behind the scenes, step by step, into the science and secrets of how energy drinks are made. Ready to geek out with me? Let's go. It all starts in a huge food lab, packed with scientists and flavor experts. The first step is deciding the core ingredients. You've got your caffeine, usually from sources like guarana, green tea, or just pure caffeine extract. Then there's the sugar or sometimes artificial sweeteners to give you that sweet kick. And don't forget the B vitamins, taurine, sometimes ginseng, and a bunch of other energy-boosting extras. Once the formula's set, it's time for the taste tests. Scientists mix up tiny batches, tweaking things like sweetness, sourness, and the aftertaste. The goal, it has to be powerful, but not so weird that you'll regret sipping it. This is where they add flavors. Everything from classic citrus to wild berry or mango. Now for the fun part, mass production. They start by prepping massive tanks, think swimming pool-sized, where they blend water with all the dry ingredients. First, powders like caffeine and taurine dissolve in. Then they pour in the sugar or sweeteners, followed by concentrated flavors and colorings. Everything's mixed with high-speed paddles, so it's totally even. But before it hits the can, there's a super important step: filtration. They pump the liquid through industrial filters to catch any clumps or impurities. After that, the mix often gets carbonated, if it's a fizzy drink, by shooting in pressurized carbon dioxide. This gives you that signature psst when you crack it open. Next comes canning. Machines fill thousands of cans per hour, sealing them tight to lock in that freshness and fizz. Each can gets a date stamp and a batch code for tracking. They're then sent through a pasteurization tunnel, a fancy way to heat and cool them quickly, killing any germs without messing up the flavor. And finally, those shiny cans are boxed up and shipped to stores all around the world. The whole process, from flavor lab to your fridge, can take just a couple of weeks. So next time you grab an energy drink, remember, there's a ton of science and engineering inside every can. Stay curious and maybe think twice about chugging 3 at once.